Hello and welcome on my channel. This video will be a little update on my decoder, wagon decoder, Arduino project, how you want to call it. And I will show you the circuit board that I showed you in the first video. And I found some things that were a little bit annoying, and that was that the power was failing when the train was running around the tracks, and yeah, I'm gonna do something about it. So let's start. As you can see, this is the board now. It's fully assembled and it's operational. All the wires that come off are a few ground wires, a signal wire, a positive and negative wire for the Arduino, which is tucked away here around the corner. There she is. And yeah, wires that go off to the the converter, voltage converter, buck converter, that's the one. And there is of course the MOSFET on there that controls the roof lights. Now also I've made the roof lights, they can be disconnected. And there's a toilet, a light for the toilet in there, so it's a little bit blue, and I think I'm gonna keep it a simple light. So also there I've installed oh, wrong button, the tail signal lights on both sides of the wagon. There we have it, and they are on functions 2 and 3, and the toilet is on function 1, but it also goes off when I turn off the lights inside the wagon. So function 0 needs to be on and function 1, and then you can switch the light on and off in the toilet. Now I'm planning of putting a little figure in the toilet area, and yeah, maybe let him do something, or maybe just let him stand there so that you can see him when you turn the lights on. And so that's it. What I found was that when I'm running the train and everything is on, now I put everything on, the roof is on as well, the light starts to flicker. Now eventually the Arduino will boot up again, and it starts up again, and it will receive the data from the central unit, so the lights will turn on again, but it takes some time. Now I need to install a power buffer, and since this is not your typical decoder setup, I will put in this big big one. Oh, not extremely big. It comes from a JVC sound system, and it's branded audio. It's 4700 microfarads at 50 volts, and it's 85 degrees rated. So I'm gonna hook this one with these wires up to the circuit board here again, and I will put it before or on the same side as the buck converter is connected. So over these or here I will put it on, so that it gets the main track power going in, the rectified track power going in, and it will supply all the lights inside the wagon, and hopefully have enough power stored in it to let the lights stay on for the little flicker time, or the little dirty track section. So I will install that now, and we shall see if it works. So I fitted after some searching for a nice place, I've placed the capacitor inside the toilet, so when the roof comes over it, it won't be easy to see from outside, and it doesn't interfere here with the roof light, because underneath the benches I cannot it don't fit. So and I wanted this big, nice, beefy capacitor. So let's hook it up. It's I've hooked it up here to the board, and I've put the wagon on the track, on the powerless side of this track, and I will slowly move it forward now and see what happens. Yay! The light comes on. So it works. There was a little hiss when the capacitor's charged up. Powerless. So as you can see, it's working. Push it all the way and poof, light goes off. But we now do have some power storage on the wagon. Yippee! Now with the roof lights also on, all the lights are on. There are 4, 5 and the LED strip, so 5 LEDs, normal LEDs, and of course the just unplugged it. I did make a plug there, just off camera. I made a plug there that I could take the roof off. So we have the LEDs here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 LEDs, and it says okay, 12 LEDs are on there. So let's see what it does, if it copes with all the LEDs on. So 12 LEDs on the roof and 5 normal LEDs, so 17 LEDs. Let's see what it does. It's off power. Oops, that goes rather quick. But it can hold it a little bit more, a little longer. How long does it hold? Let it charge, and now I'll push it off. See it in the viewfinder now. 2 or 3 seconds. Well, that should be enough. So we will test it at one point, and I will show you what the update is. So yeah, hope you found this useful. If you have any questions about my system, and oh yes, I can switch them all off with the lens remote. Function 0, the toilet lights come off, and the toilet light goes off, and the roof lights come off. Function 1 is the toilet. You can switch it separately on and off. So and number 2 is those lights, and number 3 are those lights. Now there are 17 functions on there, and you can even put servos on. And I have ordered some servos and they are in the mail, and I'm expecting them any day now. They can be, it can take up to the 29th of October before delivery, but I'm hoping they'll get there a little bit sooner. Also, I've ordered some more figures to occupy the wagon. And with those servos, what I want to do is make some movement inside the wagon. So maybe get some heads turning and those kinds of things. I'm just thinking about that, and if you have a suggestion, you could put it in the comments. I really want to try and animate some figures. So I thought of this guy. He will go in the toilet. So yeah, I have something with toilets, and I find this yeah, something different. So yeah, that's it. See you in another video. In another video I'll probably make a little schematic. I already drawn it, and I will put all the things I put in extra on there, and I will show you how it's all connected, because yeah, it's a little bit of a wire spaghetti inside. So yeah, basically that's what happens if you don't have any plan. I don't have a plan and how exactly I'm gonna do it. I'm just going with the flow. So yeah, again, any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you want to see more, then please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.